Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Aloe Soothing Sunscreen with SPF 50 plus from COSRX. What are the different ingredients present in it? What is its texture and is it worth purchasing this product? Before I dive into the video, let me introduce myself. My name is avee.megur, also known as Avee, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle, and this helps me to grow as a YouTuber as well as an influencer to reach out to millions of people and tell them how the skincare formulation actually works. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you click on that like button, subscribe button, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Okay, now talking about the texture of this product. The product looks like it's a creamy consistency, it glides well on the skin and it leaves a little bit of white cast, but once it blends into your skin, it looks like it has a nice glowy, glassy effect. I tried it on my face as well. I actually enjoyed it. It is quite lightweight and it does have a little bit fragrance into it. But I made sure that I applied it all over my face and then blended it perfectly till it nicely gets absorbed on the top layer of my skin. And then I let it sit on my skin for 1 minute, and then you can see this is the glow that I achieved when I applied it on my face. To be honest, it's a hybrid sunscreen. So there are different chemical sunscreen ingredients, and also there is titanium dioxide, which is a mineral sunscreen ingredient. Well, this is a sunscreen that blends well with the darker skin tones, so it doesn't leave any white cast, so it's a plus, and it doesn't even have any sort of tint to it, so it's okay because it sits on the skin very well. The maximum concentration in this formulation is the chemical sunscreen ingredient, which actually sits on the top layer of the skin and it doesn't wash off easily. The plus thing about the chemical sunscreen is that it has the ability to sustain the water, which doesn't get washed away easily, even by the sweat. So it becomes a favorable choice if you are living near the equatorial region or if you are going for a swim. Then the chemical sunscreen does a very good job for protecting your skin against the UV radiation. Now let's talk about the ingredients. The first ingredient is water. Then there is a chemical sunscreen ingredient that is ethyl hexyl methocinamate, which is derived from the cinnamon and it acts as a UV filter. Then there is glycerin, propylene glycol. These are humectant and helps with the moisturizing properties. Looking at the consistency, as I said, it does feel like a creamy consistency. You can skip the moisturizer. After your serum application, you can directly apply this sunscreen because it has the moisturizing ingredients in it. The downside is that this sunscreen does have a fragrance in it. There are two ingredients, that is limonene and linalool, present in it, and this is what gives fragrance to it. It's not like a pungent fragrance, which is like showing that the concentration of the fragrant ingredient is high. It is in the last of the ingredient list, but it is kind of having a nice citrusy smell. But it doesn't seem like it is very empowering, so it's okay because I think that limonene and linalool also do the job of a preservative and do also come under the aromatic ingredient list. So in the lesser fraction of a percent, if you like fragrance, then you can apply this sunscreen. It also have aloe vera leaf extract, which is helping with the healing properties and also helps with the moisturizing ability. So these ingredients are really good for moisturizing, but I also saw that in the middle of the ingredient list, there is alcohol. It is to blend all the different ingredients, especially when you are formulating with chemical and mineral filters. So you need to bring all of them together. So alcohol is added because it's the best solvent. But in this formulation, it is in the middle, so it's not in the higher percentage. So it won't lead to a lot of dryness because there are numerous ingredients that can compensate this dryness because there is moisturizing ingredients. So it's a plus about this thing. The only thing that I didn't like was the fragrance about this sunscreen, but rest all actually does a very good job in moisturizing your skin and also to protect against the UV radiation. As you all know that I'm not a huge fan of chemical sunscreen. I love mineral sunscreen because mineral sunscreen is something that doesn't get absorbed into the bloodstream. But if you want something that stays on your skin when you're swimming and you want to go in the water and you want yourself to be protected from the UV radiation for more than 5 hours, then chemical sunscreen is the best choice. The things that I liked about the sunscreen is that it has numerous moisturizing ingredients, so you can skip the moisturizer when you're applying it. And also it has chemical as well as mineral filters, so it's a hybrid sunscreen. It goes well with the darker skin tone. Doesn't leave any white cast when I apply it on my face. And the things that I didn't like is that it is formulated with alcohol and it also has fragrance in it. Rest all, I think it's a plus. I am a bit dicey. I'm like 50-50 about this sunscreen. I don't know if I like it or not like it, but I'm definitely gonna wear it when I am going to, let's say, for swimming in the sea, so it can stay well on my skin, and I'm gonna apply it all over my body. It does have a lot of moisturizing ingredients in it, which can help to bring back that healthy skin barrier. But if you have a ruptured skin and if you're facing eczema or extremely dry skin type condition, I would not suggest this for you. But if you have normal to combination skin, then this sunscreen does a very good job in protecting your skin. Anyways, it's a good product. If you want to try it out on your skin, you can do a patch test and then apply it on your face. I like the formulation. It's very lightweight. I really like it and I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram handle. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.